Today I'm introducing new LUXE Glow Powders. This particular powder is called Orion. I'm going to share some fun little tricks with you as we go along. Now, the top of this jar is totally glowing and looks amazing. The room isn't even completely dark and it is still glowing this bright. Our LUXE Glow Powders are commercial grade, made in the USA, and highly concentrated. A little bit goes a long way. So let me show you how to get a quick charge. You could use the sun, you could use house lights, or you can use the free UV light that I add to every package. And watch what it does. Hit it for a few seconds and step away and watch the magic. Look how beautifully bright that charged. So when I turn the jar around, the other side needs to get hit with the UV light as well. And I give it just a few seconds, going back and forth and all around. And then here we go, same beautiful result. Now, if you're anything like me, you will not stop there. You will continue playing with your glow and figuring out neat little tricks to make your bioluminescent oceans, your galaxy and space art. So here I am just playing with it, pouring into a dish, and you can see that it is glowing even in this room. It's not even dark outside. Now I'm just playing with the UV light again. It's really important for you to start playing around with your new LUXE Glow Powders so you can see how they react to the light. And watch this. I love how there's some spots that have like a shadow, right? They didn't get hit with the light yet and create such a beautiful look. Now you can get the same look just by sprinkling some LUXE powders, the non-glow powders, to create a really organic, like galaxy, celestial painting. You can add rocks and glass. Any part of the glow that you cover will be dark. So with that knowledge, kind of like with a flashlight, you cover up certain spots and you get shapes, like those old flashlights that you had when you were a kid and it would create shapes of stars. Well, imagine that in your art. So if, let's say you have all this glow, then you can add LUXE 3D bubbles, which I do all the time on top of my glow. It creates little circles. You can add crushed mirror. That creates really beautiful geometric shapes. Just the sky is the limit. All of these LUXE Glow Powders are found on wynnmodernart.com. I hope you have so much fun exploring and playing. Look at this. Guys, I am so excited to introduce the LUXE Glow Powders to you, and thanks for being part of the Wynn Modern Art family.